Hello and welcome back to class. In our last class we discussed using the media browser. So in this lesson we'll be discussing how to organize clips in the project panel. Stick with me. So what is the project panel? Well, the project panel is where Premiere Pro keeps all your video clips, music, photos and other files in one place, like a storage box for your project. So I want you to think of it like a school backpack where you are with different folders inside. Each folder keeps things organized for you so you can find what you need quickly. So if we come over right here, we are going to see our project panel, which is under the project panel in this section, in the lower section of Premiere Pro. So in this place, this is where you organize your clips, and I'll be showing you how to organize your clips. But before I show you how to organize your clips, why do we need to organize our clips? Well, it helps you find them easily, like I said, and it keeps your project very, very neat. You don't want your videos and your pictures scattering all over the place. So how do you organize clips in the project panel? Well, one of the first things you can do is use the bins, and the bins are folders where you group similar clips together. So in the project panel, you can create bins which are like folders to organize clips by type. So for example, you want to keep your music in one place, you want to keep your pictures in one place, and you want to keep your videos in one place. So the project panel is where you do this. And how do you create bins? You come right down to this folder where you have a folder logo, and you click on it, you left click on it, and when you click on it, it pops up with an option to change the name. Let's say for example we would like to change the folder name from bin, we like to change it to video. So you're going to hit enter button when you are done, then you go down right here and you have your video folder right there. So in this project panel, you're going to be looking for the video files that you would like to keep separately. So we have a video folder here. To preview it, do not forget you need to double click to preview it and see that it's a video. So when we play in the preview panel, this is what we have. Okay, right there we have our video. So we are going to be left clicking, we'll hold it, and we are going to drag it into the new folder we created. So when we scroll down again, we do not need to scroll down, sorry about that. We have our video right in here. So when we double click to open it, we're going to see our video panel here. So if you would like to go back, or you would like to go back to where the projects are, you are going to be clicking the project tab here right on inside the project panel. So you're going to be clicking this to go back. Then we're going to be looking for our second video. We'll be clicking on it again. So we'll double click to check in the program monitor if it's a video or not. Yes, this is a video. We're going to be playing it to confirm. Oh, sorry, this is a picture. So we're going to be looking for the video folder. I guess this is the video right here. So we're going to be dragging it as well into the video bin. So you can name your bins clearly like I did. Yours could be for video, yours could be for pictures or whatever. Then you can use color labels as well. So you can add color labels to your clips to make them stand out, like marking all your most important clips in one color. So for example, this right here is a music, so I can right click and go down to this arrow and look for label. So when I label, I can change it from the Caribbean color to the violet color, depending on how I want to group them by colors. So this is a very effective way to actually select and group your clips in order. So for example, it could be a podcast or a voiceover that you want to separate from a normal music. So you could use this as a tool to actually identify and separate your clips differently. So when we do this, you see the clips, when you drag them into the timeline panel, they should change into the colors you decide to work with. So that being said, in short, organizing clips in the project panel with bins and clear names is like keeping folders in a backpack. It makes everything easy to find and helps you work on faster projects. So in our next class, we are going to be discussing how to create and use bins. So although it's an extension of what we have done in this class, but if you are fully interested in the next class, I'll catch you in the next class. So bye for now.